What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle reaction videos, turn motivation into millions, the Hussle family. Also, make sure you subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. So there's no way for you to be directed to any scam page. Any King Hussle IG, any social media King Hussle page writes you and asks you, do you wanna make money, or yo, what's up? That's not me. That should be a red flag already that that's a scammer. Second, I don't got 60,000 followers on IG. So if y'all think that's me, that's not me. Third, I'm not posting scam stuff on my IG. So I don't got 3, 9, 6, 12 posts on my page neither. And I got posts from all the way to 2018 on my page too. So just be aware of the scammers. My Telegram name is not King Hussle nothing. So if anybody's talking to a Telegram with the name King Hussle or Hussle Nation or something like that, that is not me. Don't get scammed. Fourth, it's a YouTube channel that comments under all my comments. When you comment, they comment under your comment to get your awareness of them. Hearts and little pin notes and stuff, that's not me. Telegram King Hussle X1M, X1 on YouTube, that's not me. Telegram spell word, that's not me. Report and block. And last, before you send your money, just get a FaceTime verification call or a video to make sure you send your money to the right person. Because I want everybody to be able to get their lessons. I want everybody to be able to get what they're paying for, and I want everybody to be able to succeed in life. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today, I'm coming to y'all early. It's early Tuesday morning, and Martin Luther King birthday was yesterday, and I'm dropping these gems. I'm up early. If you sleep, you slipping. If you up, you winning. Point blank period. Because today I'm finna give y'all some more sauce, bad credit loans. Because like I said, majority of the world has bad credit. Majority of the world needs a second chance. Majority of the world is trying to figure out how they can get in a position to invest in certain things that they need to succeed. Majority of the world is on borderline from being homeless and living check to check and things like that. So today we're gonna be talking about a bad loan place, Grace Loan Advance. Some of you probably heard of them, some of you probably haven't. They work with people with bad credit. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get approved, because like I said, most people in the world have bad credit and most people in the world don't have jobs. They're self-employed. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get approved for $35,000 to $35,000 with Grace Loan Advance, self-employed, the documents you'll need, W-2s, pay stubs, bank statements, all that good stuff, so you'll be able to get the money that you need, and you go and invest into your merchandise, your business, go take you a trip, go buy you a car, do whatever you want to do with the money. It's up to you. But Grace Loan Advance for bad credit, self-employed or employed, how to get approved. Video starts now. So Grace Loan Advance, what is the loan amount you would like up to? Choose a set amount below or enter amount up to $100 up to $35,000 in the input provided. So you enter the $35,000 right here, right? And you start my request. So basically, a better personal money solution to get funds fast anywhere. Quick and easy online form. We make a process of getting a loan fast and easy. We simplify the process through our quick and secure online form. Loan offers in minutes. Your request is sent out. Lender network if approved. You will see the offer in minutes. You can choose the loan that works best for you. Funds direct to your bank. There are no checks to deposit, no trips to the bank. If you approve, money is sent to your account as soon as the next business day. Basic loan requirements: must be 18 years old, must be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, currently permanent employed or receive steady income. So like I said, you can be employed or receive steady income, self-employed. Have a bank account and receive the funds, ideally with direct deposit. So have direct deposit set up, have a bank account. What is a personal loan for? People will get personal loans to help with home repairs, luxury purchase, holiday shopping, and more. A loan from one of our lenders can help you get the funds you need. Just fill out our simple online form, fill out the short process, and if you are approved, you may receive your funds as soon as the next business day. All right. Privacy and information. We take privacy seriously, so we use industry standard encryption on our website so the third parties cannot encrypt your data. You can also look at our privacy policy for more details on this. So it just gives you the breakdown and the rundown. You get a $10,000 loan at 8% interest rate, 60 months, 10% fee, $1,000 fee cost, $202 on a repayment a month, APR 920. Total payments is gonna be $12,000, $136, and the total cost is gonna be $3,136. All right, so $500. That's the breakdown. 5,000, 2,000, 1,000. If you want to get that, so it says the website collects personal information provided by you and forwards is to the parties of our lender network. You are under no obligation to use this website or service in hiding contact nor apply for credit or any loan product with any service provider or lender. Loan amounts may vary from $500 to $35,000, but not all lenders can provide $35,000. So put that in mind too. It's all based off what they can provide, what's going on. So a personal loan, y'all get that right there. So Grace loan advance, bad credit. All right, so check them out. So Gusto is another payroll provider site that will allow you to generate payroll, bank statements, bank account information that you need to get approved for these loans, for the loans that you need. So have you run payroll yet this calendar year? No, we're gonna put no. How do you currently run payroll? We're new to payroll. How would you describe your business style? We work in an office, we work in a retail food store, we work in a factory, and other. What type of workers do you need? Employees, contract, both. Contractors, so W-2s for employees interested in offering a health benefits to your team, All right, so boom. And then you jot down your information. Then down here is full service payroll. Run payrolls in minutes whenever you want. Would accept the compliance help. Employee benefits, from health benefits and 401ks to our free employee app. You covered. Time and attendance. They got hiring, onboarding, talent management, insights, and reporting like a real business. So it helps you with all that. It can generate payroll, pay checks, and pay stubs and all that stuff like that. So Gusto is another one. Then you got and y'all already know about ADP. I've been told y'all about ADP. Employees, ADP, generate bank statements, pay stubs, bank statements, all that good stuff for you. All right, ADP. ADP.com. So let's talk about it. It's a lot of different lenders out there. It's a lot of different banks. It's a lot of different companies that will help you get a bad credit, high limit loan, second chance loans. You just have to show them and give them the perception that you'll be able to pay back that money that you're offering. So however you gotta tell your job, give you more hours, or if you working self-employed, work more hours, whatever you gotta do to when you turn in your pay stubs, bank statements, W-2s, and all that, the things that they need, they can see that you're able to pay back that loan. So if you want a $35,000 loan, you need to be able to pay back that $35,000 loan. So matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you what you need to. Let me see. I'm gonna tell you how much you need to get a $35,000 loan, right? So a lot of people like, how much do you need to make to get a $35,000 loan? How much? Like, how do you get it? Like, what do I need to put on my bank statements, or how many hours do I need to tell my job, or how much hours do I need to work doing here or whatever? What do I do? So it says, while most lenders won't work with you, if you have a DTI, debt to income ratio over 43%, you'll likely need a DTI closer to 20% to get a $35,000 loan. So do your math with that. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people don't be really understanding how to get a $35,000 loan. It's just like getting a house, basically. So make sure y'all got y'all business together. Make sure y'all got y'all information together. Make sure y'all got y'all paperwork together. Make sure y'all starting to build y'all relationship with these banks. Make sure you starting to get y'all bank accounts with these credit unions, because credit unions are easier to build relationships with. Credit unions are easier to get loans and credit cards and lines of credits and all that good stuff with. Because like I said, once you build a relationship and they see you depositing money and things like that, they'll start sending you perks. They'll start sending you credit card offers. They'll start sending you loan offers. They'll start sending you a lot of different things. So start building relationships. Make sure you got a bank account, checking and savings account. Make sure you got money going in. Make sure, or use the ADP. I'm telling you, you will get approved for these bad credit loans as long as you got your business together. If people are getting approved for loans and stuff with CPNs and credit privacy numbers, you, the consumer who was trying to do it the right way, why wouldn't you be able to get approved for it? Make it make sense. That's why I tell you, knowledge is power. Anybody can get these loans. You just gotta have your business together. So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all, if y'all need help getting y'all business together, if you need help with your credit, if you need help with credit repair, you need help getting your documents together to get high limit loans, tap in with me. Limited Gems, $2,000, and book your seat right now on the crypto tour. I promise you, in person, I'm gonna give you all the information that you need. I'm gonna give you all the information that you need to succeed. Point blank, period. $500 deposit, $4,000 in person. Tap in with me. Let's win. Let's win together. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my real King Hussle supporters. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping these videos. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this information for you guys to be able to get back on the right track. Good morning to everybody, because I'm gonna do this video and just drop it. Early morning gems. Just throw it out there. All right? So make sure y'all tapping in. I'm still looking for actors, rappers, producers, cameramans, models, content creators for the production company. Tap in with me. Let's win. This year gonna be a good year for everybody, because we're gonna take this information and we're gonna run with it. We're gonna apply it to our life and run with it. We're gonna get our lessons and we're gonna apply it to our life and run with it, because I got a lot of great things coming up this year, point blank period. So y'all already know how I get out in these videos. I'll see you at the next.